Hi friends, welcome to my channel Starting Friend. Today I'm going to talk about this cryptocurrency, that is STBL coin. In this video I'll be talking about latest technical analysis. So let's begin. This video is for educational purpose only, no financial advice. Do your research before you take up any decision. So you can see current price is $0.09626. It is down by 10%. Rank is around 512. Position around 10k users are following this cryptocurrency. Market cap is $48 million and the volume in 24 hours is $31.5 million. It is up by 13%. So now I'll go to the chart and see how the candles are moving. So you can see that I'm in the weekly chart. So let me draw the trend line. You can see this is support and this is the resistance. And you can see previously the candles were moving in an upward direction. Okay, and then you can see the breakout happened, then candle started falling. So this is the support trend line. Okay, and continuously the candles were falling. So this is the support, and this is the resistance trend line. So within this channel pattern only the fall was happening. So you can see that very clearly. So if you go to the daily chart also, you can see that previously the candles were moving in upward direction, and then you can see the breakout happened, and then candles were falling continuously. Okay, so you can see this is the uptrend channel pattern. So candles were moving in an upward direction. Okay, and then continuously the candles were falling, and after the fall you can see candles have given a breakout. And if you draw the trend line, you can see this is support and this is the resistance. So within this channel pattern only now the candles are moving. Okay, so you can see it is a downtrend channel pattern. So if you go to the 4-hour chart, you can see clearly how these candles are moving. Okay, so you can see that after the fall the candles went up, again the fall happened, again it went up, and then fall, again the candles have gone up. Now you can see candles are falling. So if you draw the trend line, so you can see previously the candles were falling in this channel pattern, like it was moving in upward direction, and then the breakout happened, and then candles were falling in this channel pattern. So this is the support, this is the resistance trend line, and you can see the fall happened, and now you can see candles have given a breakout. So if you draw the trend line, you can see this is support. So already the breakout has happened, so candles may move in an upward direction. Okay, so this is the resistance trend line and this is the support trend line. So you can see that very clearly. And after the fall the breakout has happened, so now candles are moving in this channel pattern. So this is the resistance trend line and this is a support trend line. So after the breakout the candles went up, now the fall is taking place, and once the breakout happens, so candles are falling. Okay, and once the breakout happens, then candles may start moving towards the resistance level. So like this the candles may move in this channel pattern until it is not reaching the resistance level, which is over here, that is 0.118620. okay, so candles may go to the resistance level and then fall may take place. So once the candle go to the resistance level, so from there the fall may take place. So candles may come down to the support level. Okay, so it may come down to the support level after the breakout, and then after the breakout again here the candles may start moving towards the resistance level. So clearly you can see candles are moving in this channel patterns. Okay, so this is the support resistance trend line. Okay, and you can see that currently the candles are moving in a upward direction. Okay, so you can see that very clearly, and after the breakout here the candles may move to the resistance level. So like this the candles are moving. So since the fall is happening, RSI is also falling. When you see reversal, then candles may start moving in a upward direction. So if you go to the daily chart also, you can see that after the fall the candles may come down to support and then it may go up, and in case if it gives a breakout, then candles may start moving in a upward direction towards this resistance level here, and then fall may take place. If there is a breakout happens, it may move to this resistance level and then fall may take place. So currently you can see candles are moving in this channel pattern. So this is support and this is resistance. Okay, now we'll talk about another cryptocurrency, that is SOMI coin or SOMI coin, and you can see current price is $0.4115. It is down by 8%. Market cap is $65.92 million and the volume in 24 hours is $26.02 million. It is up by 26%, and the rank is around 424. Position around 12k users are following this cryptocurrency. So now I'll go to the chart and see how the candles are moving. So you can see that I'm in the weekly chart. So let me draw the trend line. You can see this is the support trend line. So it is very important to find out support resistance level so that you know where these candles are moving. And you can see that previously the candles were moving in a upward direction, so it went up to the resistance level and then continuously the fall happened. So if you go to the daily chart, you can see that after this candles went to the resistance level, so you can see this is the support trend line, and then you can see breakout happened, then candle started falling. So this is the support, okay, and this is the resistance, okay. So within this channel pattern only the candles were falling, okay. So you can see that there's a resistance, and you can see after this fall, you can see breakout happened and candles went up, okay. So you can see that candles went up and then again the fall happened, okay. After the breakout, again the candles went up, okay. So this is the support trend line and this is the resistance trend line. So within this channel pattern only the candles were falling, okay. So you can see that this is the resistance trend line, okay. So candles are falling in this channel pattern, okay. So this is the support and this is resistance, okay. And you can see after the fall, so previously you can see candles were falling in this channel pattern. So this is the resistance trend line, okay. And after the breakout, you can see that candles have gone up to the resistance level and then fall started, okay. Again it went up and then fall happened. So now you can see candles are moving in this channel pattern. So this is the support trend line, okay, and this is the resistance trend line. So within this channel pattern only the fall is taking place. So the candles have come down support level. If there is a breakout happens, the candles may go to the resistance level, which is around 50883, and then fall may take place. So like this it may move in this channel pattern, okay. And you can see there is a resistance level over here. So candles may now move in this channel pattern until it is not giving a breakout. After breakout, the candles may start moving towards this resistance level. So resistance level is around 1.80 and the support is around 0.3114. So from here the candles may start moving in a upward direction. Until then the candles move in this downtrend channel pattern. In case if it is gives a breakout, then candles may move to the resistance level. So anywhere in this place, if the breakout happens, it may move to this resistance level and then fall may take place, okay. Since the fall is happening, RSI is also falling. When the reversal takes place, you may see a breakout and candles may start moving towards the resistance level. So that's all for now. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.